Dogelon Mars generally is as of now esteemed at $0.00000025. The cost of Dogelon Mars for the most part has fallen by 2.51% in the past 24 hours, which especially is very critical. Elon explicitly rose 1.42% in 7 days in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking. The essentially current exchanging volume of Dogelon Mars is at $1,078,656, which by and large is very critical. 02 September 2023. In this video we will essentially walk you through Dogelon Mars cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now and fundamentally attempt to answer these regularly, for the most part sought clarification on pressing issues, facts. What for the most part is exceptionally momentary cost expectation for Dogelon Mars? Truly is Elon a very wise interest in a sort of enormous manner. Dogelon Mars support and opposition levels and so forth. Yet prior to jumping profound into the Elon specialized examination, truly let us especially discuss the especially current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. Market examination over the last 24 hours, there certainly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole digital money market to $1,044,536,289,332, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. The complete exchanging volume basically remains at $29,925,801,445. Bitcoin shares 48.33% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a strength of 16.33%. Or so they in a real sense thought, which brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $25,926.63 level after a vertical development of 0.6%, showing how Dogelon Mars generally is as of now esteemed at $0.00000025. The cost of Dogelon Mars certainly has fallen by 2.51% in the past 24 hours. Really in spite of mainstream thinking, various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum sort of, has seen a cost increment of 0.59%, coming to $1,639.72 during the past 24 hours, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $214.95 following a value change of 0.66% inside a similar time period in a huge manner. XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP, generally is up by 0.14 and as of now exchanging at 50 cents. Showing how Bitcoin shares 48.33% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a strength of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. These occasions basically demonstrate that the market for the most part is going in a very descending course for sort of present moment, sort of additional appearance. How 02 September 2023. In this video we will for the most part walk you through Dogelon Mars cost examination for now or for the following week, and especially attempt to answer these much of the time. Generally got clarification on some things, facts. What in every practical sense is especially transient cost expectation for Dogelon Mars, for the most part is Elon a kind of wise interest in an unpretentious manner. As of now, a general extremely regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting how yet prior to jumping commonly profound into the Elon specialized investigation, in every practical sense, let us in a real sense discuss the in every practical sense current economic situations, or so they explicitly thought. Dogelon Mars execution. The truly everyday diagram of Dogelon Mars certainly shows that the Elon cost in a real sense has an especially descending development with a 2.51% diminishing in sort of beyond 24 hours, so XRP, the by and large local coin of XRP, basically is up by 0.14 and as of now exchanging at 50 cents, showing how Bitcoin shares 48.33% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16.33%. Which for the most part is very huge. The value worth of the Dogelon Mars Elon coin generally is remaining at $0.00000025, with market capitalization $136,963,872 United States dollars in a kind of huge manner. Elon cost changes 1.42% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume generally is drifting around $1,078,656 USD. Who for the most part are the pioneers behind Dogelon Mars, or so the in every practical sense thought. Very much like in every practical sense is the situation for its certainly more conspicuous and certainly more settled cousins. The originators behind this exceptionally specific canine coin for the most part are essentially obscure in an unpretentious manner. That generally is an all-around especially normal event for image coins, and financial backers in every way that really matters are very much encouraged truly because of exceptionally unexpected level of effort. With mostly secret coins too in a real sense. Try not to succumb to pernicious practices like carpet pulls and leave tricks. So Elon truly has been available for really a while, making the probability of the coin being a trick generally little, exhibiting that these occasions sort of demonstrate that the market explicitly is going in an especially descending bearing for genuinely present moment, certainly further appearance. How 02 September 2023. In this video we will truly walk you through Dogelon Mars cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and especially attempt to answer these habitually certainly got clarification on pressing issues, facts. What in every practical sense is essentially transient cost expectation for Dogelon Mars fundamentally is Elon a very wise venture, which generally is very critical. What in a real sense makes Dogelon Mars extraordinary? Extremely in spite of mainstream thinking. Dogelon Mars basically utilizes an entertaining truly comic story of Dogelon, the canine giving the coin its name, as a foundation for its coin. So moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which generally is genuinely critical. Dogelon investigates the best secrets of the cosmic system and looks to recolonize the planet he once considered home with the assistance of the companions he's made during his certainly goes through the stars. A few short comics are distributed on the coin site that generally follow Dogelon on his experiences to Mars, where he generally meets companions and goes on undertakings, exhibiting how Dogelon Mars support and obstruction levels, and so forth in a significant manner. Dogelon Mars doesn't explicitly have a guide fundamentally, yet rather fostered a dream variant through its comics, showing how market investigation over the in every practical sense last 24 hours, there sort of was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the whole digital money market to $1,044,536,289,332, which really is genuinely huge. After the recolonization of Mars in 2420, Dogelon will in every practical sense need to battle for truly endurance against the annihilators, which most certainly is very critical. This fantasized variant recommends that once the coin basically is recorded on all significant trades, the cost of Elon will fundamentally reach Mars, or, in really different words, it will exchange at a very much genuinely higher valuation, exhibiting that Dogelon Mars doesn't have a guide as such, yet rather fostered a dream rendition through its comics.